already told this nigga that he see me, that he gon' put me on the shirt. They hate my reaction cause I am a savage. I go to the well, let us get to the church, Ooh, like Young and May. I flood the strip with 100 plates. Horsepower screaming underlay. My amigo, he'll move a ton a day.
What the fuck just happened? Alright, y'all. So, y'all seen what happened. I kind of think I already know what happened, you know what I'm saying, just off the sound and how it felt and previous problems I had with this motor. But I figured y'all like the last video I did where I rebuilt the Banshee. I had a bunch of questions or whatever. Wonder how I could do it, how I know how to do it, whatever. I done did like 5, 6, 7 of these motors. They were super easy. It's a 2-stroke motor. You know what I'm saying? 2 strokes are easy in general, and I feel like this is honestly the easiest motor to build. Everything's, you know, big, so it's not, you know, too hard, but pause. Pause. Super pause. But I think the crank bearing on the left side went out, so I'm 99% sure that it's the crank bearing. I'm just praying it didn't take the cylinders, or the cylinder or the head out on its way out. I figured it's the crank bearing because I heard piston slap, and when I took the pipe off, it had like some shit like a crank bearing in there. So I'm gonna do a quick like time lapse of me busting down the motor. Then I'm gonna order the part, and then I'm gonna do another time lapse of me putting the motor back together. So I'll cut the music on, some background music or whatever, and I'll show y'all the process of just me busting it down. And I know y'all gonna ask me, oh, why you don't do a tutorial? Why you don't do this? Well, you should do a tutorial, show us how to do it. You know, the reason why I don't do that is because the way I learned is from a YouTube video on Rocky Mountain ATV. So that's the best way to learn. You know what I'm saying? That is exactly how I learned. Look up Rocky Mountain ATV Banshee, and they got like 10-15 videos on how to tune your carbs, how to adjust your carbs, how to adjust the idle, how to do a top end, how to redo the whole motor. They show you how to take it out the frame, bust it down, inspect everything, put it back in the frame. You know what I'm saying? They show you how to do all that. So instead of me showing y'all that, which I might later on in life, but not right now. Instead of me showing y'all that, I just suggest y'all watch that video because that's how I learned. So I'm gonna get to this motor, and I'm gonna get right back with y'all.
Yo, Manny. How the fuck you ain't believe me? Said you was with me, how you leave me? Man, they think I got it easy. So many nights I wasn't sleeping, them nights I wasn't eating. Them niggas tried to grease me. They ain't wanna give me PC.
That might be savable. I don't know. I'm not sure.
I'm in the club, this shit on repeat. These bitches trying to creep me. I was running up in TD. That shit declined, they tried to leave me. Thought you was gang, how you deceive me? How the fuck you gon' deceive me? I ran it up and now I'm sleepy. These diamonds on me 3D. These niggas, they be drunk in the club, telling they hustle. I swear I showed you nothing but love, now I can't trust you. I see your ass in traffic, it's up, can't wait to pluck you. You see I got my gat in the club, it's in the duffel. It's 50 out the back, then you done, you better shuffle. Can't love a bitch I met in the club, no I can't cuff you. Just take this band of singles and run, don't wanna fuck you. I might just...
And it's looking like, oh shit, it's actually the piston. That's surprising. The fucking piston came apart in there. What the fuck? That is crazy. I didn't think that. Wow. It's actually not the crank. I thought it was the crank. That's wild. Okay. Wow. Alright, let me get back with y'all. Cause I don't think, I thought I need a new crank. I might just go grab me a new piston tomorrow. today or something. I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, everything that's in there. First, actually, I just want to explain to y'all what exactly happened, you know what I'm saying. So, as you can see, these are how the pistons look. Normal piston, this is how it looks. You know what I'm saying? This is how a normal piston gonna look. And then, if I spin the motor, this is how this one looks. Chopped off, broken up in pieces, whatever. It's supposed to look like that. So it broke up into pieces and it flew around in the crank, whatever. It's not good. So essentially, I'm going to pick out all these pieces right there. I picked out a few of them right there already. But I'm going to pick out all these pieces. I got to put a new top end on it. And then I sent the cylinders out. I sent them out a few days ago. I sent the cylinders out and they're getting bored. I'm getting so stock size on a Banshee is 64 millimeters. I'm getting 64.25. So 64 and a quarter. I was gonna go 64.50, but they said my cylinders weren't that bad. So we'll see how that goes. That might change. They might do 64.50. I don't know. I ain't talked to them again yet. So as you can see, 64. These are OEM pistons. Yes, I spent $350 on his shit and rode it for an hour and it's useless now. I mean, I guess this one technically ain't useless, but I'll probably keep this one just on the side or some shit like that. But so send my cylinders out. They should be back here in a few days. Right now, I got these. I got a couple magnet things so that I can pull out. Oh, this isn't even magnetic. That is crazy. So I guess the magnet trick not gonna work. This one is it's got a claw on it, so I'm gonna just blow it with a bunch of air from the compressor. I'm gonna blow with air and try to fish out everything I can in there. I'm gonna swap the gaskets. I got brand new OEM gaskets on deck. Swap the gaskets, put everything back together, do a leak down test, and throw it back in the frame. And then I should be able to be back where I was. So I'm gonna just do I'll just show y'all me taking it out. I still got weight on the cylinder, so I'm gonna show y'all me taking this out, fishing it out, getting everything out, and then I'll be back with y'all.
Hitting my ones, this off the muscle. Ride for me. How the fuck I know you gonna slide for me? I told shorty that she better die for me. If it's my time to go, do not cry for me. Let it fly. How the fuck you ain't believe me? Said you was with me, how you leave me? How the fuck you niggas leave? Man, they think I got it easy. So many nights I wasn't sleeping. Them nights I wasn't eating. Them niggas tried to grease me. They ain't wanna give me PC. Now I'm the plug, they tryna piece me. I'm in the club, this shit on repeat. These bitches tryna grieve me. I was running up in TD. That shit declined, they tried to leave me. Thought you was gang, how you deceive me? I ran it up and now I'm sleepy. These diamonds on me 3D. I was sipping 42 in the zoo before the pandemic. Dior my body and jewels. It got my gram lit. Fuck $600 a week. I got them grams flipping.
Alright, y'all. So we back. Got my cylinders back from getting bored out. I'm gonna explain to y'all exactly what happened, where I messed up at, all that. So I got them honed. So I took the bike apart. Cylinders were fine. Okay, cylinders were perfectly fine. I took the bike apart because I wanted to get it painted. I wanted to get everything Cerakoted and stuff, the cases and all that. So when I took it apart, the bike was 1000% fine, other than the transmission, but that has nothing to do with the cylinders. So when I put these on, I got them honed, I got the cylinders honed, and I put them on. Somewhere along the way of running it chipped a little bit. So I took it off, changed the top end, thought it was a top end, it wasn't the top end. Changed the cylinders. I should have bored it, but I was being super thirsty. And they told me, I don't know if you should run this, but, I don't know if you should do it. And I was like, I'm doing it. So I made the gas even bigger. So in order for me to save these cylinders, I ended up having to do a 65-50, which I normally ain't with the boring or whatever, but I couldn't find those cylinders, and I'm not about to pay $1,600 for brand new cylinders. That's dumb. So I got these. About to throw the top end on. I already threw the motor in. And all that. So I'm literally about to just throw the top end on, gas tank, pipes, and coolant, and start it up. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and I'm gonna do that for y'all.
Look, we caught him taking the trash out. I just went to the jeweler and cashed out. Roll up a back with a black stout, mixed with alien smoke till I pass out. If I see an op, I'ma lash out. We gon' shoot, give a fuck if it's task out. This new 40 I'm toting is mad loud. Shoot a op, get a bop, then I dash out. We throw your grandmother down the stairs, pussy. If you ever think that you gon' run up on me. I'm with big ammo in the vest, 33 bullets, you ain't taking none from him in the chest. He think he up next, these hollows to show that nigga he ain't fucking with me. Do his flash and we make a mess, and I tell the ops to come and get me. Step back and we shoot on, boy. All that snubs in the coupe, oh boy. Where the fuck is this roof, oh boy? Got shot, told cops it was you, oh lord. Niggas know we the truth, oh lord. Sniper gang shoot cops from the roof, oh lord. Everything got juice, oh lord. Tupac, though boy, up the roof, oh lord. We caught him taking the trash out. I just went to the jeweler and cashed out. Roll up a back with a black stout, mixed with alien smoke till I pass out. If I see an op, I'ma lash out. We gon' shoot, give a fuck if it's task out. This new 40 I'm toting is mad loud. Shoot a op, get a bop, then I dash out. Diamonds on me and they too glitchy. Been through your block with like 250s. 100 round, drum on my Glocky. Yeah, we spin his block till we too dizzy. Gun him down, shut him down. He ever try to come around and move iffy. The stick through the stutter sound. Better pray I don't move sticky. How you in sick in competition, but you still losing, I do not get it. Just got me a bad bitch from the UK, and she told me I'm that nigga. Only time that you shoot tank is a 2K, man, these niggas, they be bitches. Ready to train on your boot gang, gave a loose change, now I'm aiming for a sister. Step back and we shoot on, boy. All that snubs in the coupe, oh boy. Where the fuck is this roof, oh boy? Got shot, told cops it was you, oh lord. Niggas know we the truth, oh lord. Sniper gang.
Alright, so it's back. I'm saying I'm about to go take it to the lot, ride a little bit. I was just doing I still gotta wipe a couple parts down. I ran out of contact cleaner, but I gotta break it in. That was the second heat wave or whatever they call it. Still gotta clean the bike or whatever because it's been getting dusty. But that's it for the video. All I gotta do is wash it and tighten the chain. As you can see, I got it open right now. I gotta put it on a stand and tighten it up, but that's it for the video though. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna do the last heat cycle at the lot, and I'm gonna ride it. I might do it here, I'm not sure yet, but about to ride it, take it outside, but it's done. Thank y'all for watching. Drop a comment, whatever. I feel weird saying that. Y'all do whatever y'all want to do. I'll catch y'all at the next one, man.